Well, hello and welcome. And here's a quick screencast that I'm hopefully providing for some of you who are visual learners to make the task a little bit easier. And this is in response to my recent posts concerning the lack of information on the website. And perhaps part of that problem is the fact that people don't really know how to use the site. And for me, it's fairly straightforward, but for you, if you don't understand, that's fine. So I'm just going to run through this as if you don't know how to do this. So bear with me. First of all, you'll see that we've got up here all of the menus at the top, which you can go into, and obviously we're on the main page at the moment, which is the one you normally open up to. Now, if you want to write some information, and I hope you do, and I'd encourage you to do so, then the place you can do that, the easiest place to do that, is in the blogs. And what you have in a blog is a continuous, if you like, a newsletter. And your latest post or blog post will appear at the top, and the earlier ones will move further down the page. And consequently, we're constantly updated with the information. The blogs stay with you, so if you have to post your blog information, and then it will go onto your page so people can read about you. I can't post your story because it will appear on my page as my story. And maybe some people who've emailed me some nice stories recently, if you can email, you can certainly do this. And so I'd encourage those people who've emailed me to copy and paste their information across onto a blog. So I'm just going to click on blogs to show you what happens. Bear with my computer, it may be a bit slow. And you'll see here there are three areas: all blog posts, which is everybody's post that they've put on, my blog, and obviously my blog will be different to your blog. It'll still say my blog, but my blog's for Mike Temple and your blog will be for you. And here is edit, and this is the important bit. I think many people feel that if they've posted something, it's on here permanently and they can't change it. Well, that's not the case. If you put a post on here and you don't like it, then you can go and edit it. You can delete it if you wish. So if you consequently or subsequently decide you don't like the look of that, you can delete the whole thing and start again. It isn't a problem. So how do you actually do some writing on here? Well, let's add a blog post. Now this blog will appear, this blog post or a summary of this blog post will appear on the front page under the latest activity. So it's quite important before you send it and before you click post that you've got most of the spellings right, particularly in the title. So this is a test blog, and all I've got here is a very similar thing to a word processor. So if I want to do some interesting text, I can have it in bold or italics, and I can do certain things. So this is a simple text editor, and I can write pretty much what I want to hear. Full stop. If I'm done with that, and that's what I want to write, then if I just click to the bottom here, I can preview if I just want to double check it, or if I'm absolutely certain it's okay, I can click on publish. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to publish this post. I just want to show you how this works. And if I go back up, let's suggest you want to add a picture. Well, at the moment the cursor is blinking just here, and that's where my picture will go. So let's say I want a picture to go a little bit further down. Well, if I click on this insert image, like so, I have this pop up and it says upload an image here, or if I know the image is online and maybe I've already published it or it's somebody else's image, as long as copyright issues are not infringed, then you can copy the address of that photo, pop it in here, it'll appear on your page. If you want to upload an image, clearly you'll need to know where it is, and when you click on browse, then obviously you'll have to go into your pictures area, and for me, I've got a lot of my stuff is under VA, so if I wanted to click on VA here, I've got some pictures of VAs like so. I could go into this one, double click on this one, or click on it and say open, and then when I click on add, that picture now will be uploaded to this page. Again, I'm not going to do that because I don't need to upload this and publish it, but I can do that. And in effect then, when you're complete and you're finished, you can then just click on publish at the bottom of that page and the job's done. That's as short as I can make it. If you need any more help, give me a call and I'll help you with it.